the third house in this horoscope has 5 planets. Okay, third house represents your neighborhood area in a horoscope because third house represents neighbors. Okay, so if you have any planet in the third house, okay, that particular thing will be in your neighborhood. The thing represented by that planet will be in your neighborhood. Do you have any planet in the north in the third house? Anyone?
I have Venus. Venus.
Okay. Okay.
I have Mars, sir.
You have Mars.
Yeah, Mars.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I have Rahu and Sun.
You have Rahu and Sun.
Scorpio.
Okay. Okay. See, I'll give you one idea about it. Third house represents your neighborhood. Okay. And neighbors also. Okay. So if you have like Mars in the third house, okay. Just a second. Okay. Just mute Sonalji. I'm getting some background noise. Okay. If you see third house and Mars, what can anybody tell what could be in the neighborhood area for Mars in the third house?
Police.
Some weapon.
Sir, anyone related to defense area, defense services.
Okay. Okay. Like Sunita ji said, something related to police. A police station should be nearby. Neeraj ji?
Yes, sir. The police station is just in front of main gate of my society.
Okay.
Where I live.
Yes. Are you getting the point? The third house, any planet. Yes. A planet.
One more input, sir.
Yes.
My next door, my neighbor.
Yes.
Is retired under secretary from Ministry of Defense only. He was in defense.
Okay. Okay. So the thing is, any planet in any house will give maximum energy to that house where it is placed. So we know the third house represents neighbors. So neighborhood is also represented by the third house. If Mars is there, so Mars is related to defense, police. Mars is also related to the mode of travel, mainly railway and highways. Do you have any highway or a railway near your house, Neeraj ji?
Sir, not exactly railway, but yes, metro station is there, and ring road is there. Delhi ring road is the outer ring road.
Okay.
That
okay.
is a highway.
How far it is?
The metro station is 700 meters from my house.
Okay. Okay.
And this outer ring road is 1 kilometer from my house.
Okay. 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 So these areas will be near your house. Okay. Especially railway tracks will be there. Like metro 700 meters is neighborhood. Okay. Now, any other planet like yes, Jashanpreet, you have any question?
Yes, sir. Actually, I also observed that if Mars in third house, the near
Yes.
to that person house, our doctor is also live.
Yes, Mars also represents medical related things, but
Yes, sir.
but
And if debilitate, then child doctor specialist.
okay. No, no. In his case, Mars is not debilitated. Okay. So
Fire station.
yeah,
Fire
something
station.
yeah. Fire related. See, basically, I know his chart. He has Mars in Leo, so something related to government will also come because it is Leo. We will use Rashis also, but basic thing is to try to understand planetary behavior. No planet in my third house. Okay, if there is no planet, still there will be a neighborhood. Okay, that will be represented by the sign which is in the third house. Like Atulji, what is your lagna? Virgo. 6, 7, 8. So 8th sign will fall in the Scorpio. Sorry, in the third house, Scorpio will fall. What Scorpio represents?
CID person type. Secret
Secret
job.
places.
Research related, something institute related to research.
Occult. Occult.
Some
No.
dark places or secret places.
Yes,
Or
this is one.
uh,
Do you have
water
any tunnel
replenishment.
or something near your house? Atulji?
Water.
A water body or a tunnel near your house? Which one? There is a tunnel or water body. What is there? A tunnel. Okay. There is a tunnel in a very near to his in the neighborhood. Why? Because Scorpio, as given in the classics, is a hole, is a kshatra. So you can use the hole related things like there can be a tunnel or something which is beneath the earth.
तो टनल क्या मतलब उसको क्या बोलते हैं
टनल को क्या बोलते हैं? टनल को क्या बोलते हैं?
Tunnel.
You can say some underpass or something like that.
ओके ओके
Okay, yes, drainage could be there. Yes, Sonalji, drainage could be there. So basically, if you don't have any planet, then the significations of that sign will be there. Okay. So the main thing, I thought someone would ask, if there is no planet in particular direction, so would there be no item also? This is not the case. Every house has the energy of a sign. So there would be something in a particular direction, in each and every direction, okay, in the house. If planet is there, definitely there will be the item, okay. Venus in Capricorn in the third house. What? Yes.
हेलो
Yes, Vicky.
सर हमने we have changed 3 homes in my lifetime till now
Yes.
और तीनों lifetime में uncoincidentally east direction हमेशा wall ही होती थी so
Okay.
what would be the reason that
What is in your Lagna? Any planet in Lagna?
Virgo ascendant
Any planet there?
जी केतु
Ketu is
सर
there.
बैकग्राउंड नॉइज बहुत आ रही है
Vicky ji,
How I am
please
actually
mute.
on
Yes. Please mute.
We didn't
Okay.
understand what he said. What did
You
he
have
say?
you have a wall in the eastern direction every time.
Okay, thank you.
No, I think I didn't get him. Vicky ji, can you just type, because there is a lot of background noise from your side. I think you are traveling right now. Okay, if you are driving, then you
I will
cannot
ask
type.
after
Yeah. Okay, so Venus in Capricorn. So what is Venus?
Luxury items.
Okay.
Items related to the beautification of any place.
Yes.
Could that
To
be a
make it-
beauty parlor or salon?
Yes. It can be salon. It can be a shopping complex also. Sunita ji,
Yes.
what is there?
Well, I can say, yeah, it's the city. So shopping complexes are there like within a kilometer.
Yes. Entertainment related things, because it is. I took Capricorn also, but as Capricorn represents something related to profession, so there should be something Venus as a commercial things. Okay, so I took complex, shopping complex. Okay. Yes, Gulshan ji, you have Jupiter.
Good
Any?
neighborhood. Can it have good neighborhood also?
Yes, Venus also represents neighborhood. Your neighbors also.
Good neighbor, like if it's in the high end neighborhood.
Yeah, that will be, but again, I have to check from other factors also, that Venus is positive there or negative there. Okay, but yes. Yes, Gulshan ji, any school or temple near your house?
Yes, temple, Shiv temple.
What is there?
Ashivji's temple.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Shivji's temple.